Today we are gonna solve lead code 75. We have solved two questions of the lead code 75. One is merge string alternatively. Second is move zeros. The next we are gonna solve the question from sliding window. So the question is maximum average subarray, right? So what the question is, this is the easy type of question. Topics are of course array and sliding window. So you are given an array, integer array nums considering n elements and integer k, right? Find a continuous sub array whose length is equals to k and the maximum average value. Return this value. Okay, so the question is, we are given an array nums, which is an integer, which contains integer of course. We are given a range k. We have to make a window of k, so let's say 4, and find the average of this window, right? So he's saying that continuous sub array whose length is equals to k, that means a window of k, right? As this question is from sliding window, so we have to make a window of k. We have to take an average of this window and return the maximum average value. Clear? So first we need to think is that the element in the window is constant, right? So that is 4. So average, so whose sum is maximum, so the average will also get maximum, because of course we are gonna divide the sum by the constant 4 now. So the maximum sum will make the average maximum, right? So this is just a simple question of sliding window in which we have to find the maximum sum of a window. So I have solved this question earlier, but let's solve this again. So we are gonna solve this in a native approach is only we are gonna solve this in a native approach, of course. So first initiate, or I can say initiate a window of length k, right? Take the sum, move the window and update the sum, right? For note out the maximum sum. 5 return sum divided by k, because we have to return the average. Okay, so we are gonna solve this problem using the native approach only, because this is the most optimized approach. Either way we can do it. So let's start making a window. I is equals to 0, of course. So for I in range length of minus k. Okay, let's say minus k. So let's see. So I am thinking if I have to add 1 or not, right? So let's say we have an array of length 6 and window of length 2. So it will get us till 4, right? Or length of array of 6 means 1 2 3, so 0 1 2 3 4 5, and it will take us till 4. So 6 minus 2 is 4. So yeah, we don't have to add 1 because we can take I up to here, and we our windows length is 2. So yeah, we don't have to add 1. So for I in range this, first let's make a sum is equals to so for I in range k, right? First of all, k should be less than n, and this is, yeah, so sum is equals to 0 for I in range k, sum plus nums I. I'm initiating the sum of the first window, and I am ignoring the first window, right? Max sum is equals to sum right now. By shifting towards so let's say we have taken this window from the first case, right? First example, and we are left with 50 and 3. So if we are gonna shift this window till this na, so let's say we have to add 50 and then we have to subtract 1, right? So we have to first subtract I minus 1. So the sum equals to nums I minus 1, and we have to add nums I plus k, right? Because this is I at 1 and I plus k is 4, so I plus k minus 1, of course, k minus 1, because so I is at 1 2 3 4 and that is 5, so I plus 4 will get 5, so I plus k minus 1. Okay, anyways, sum will get add, and if so now max sum, so to update max sum, max sum and sum, right? So by doing this we will get the maximum sum and we have to return max sum into 1.10 to the power 5, 1 2 3 4 5 divided by k. So this will add the precision. Of course the time complexity is on, space complexity is 1, because we are not using any so space is constant. Of course we have to remove this. Space is constant, time we are iterating in this, so, or I can say if k is given, so n minus k. Let's run this. Yeah, this is getting solved. I hope what's the problem? I think we have to add 1 here. Okay, so this is the range na, so sorry, we have to add 1, of course. Yeah, sorry guys, my bad, because this is the range, so this will exclude the last number. So this is getting solved. Let's see who's the best case here. So okay, so guys, it is also doing the same. It is adding and it is also doing the same. So So anyways, this is the solution of this problem. I hope you learned something from this video. If you have anything to for me, please share this in the comment section. This video is solely for my self development project. I want to develop my communication skill and my problem solving skills. That's why I'm making these videos, so that I can take the I can track my process progress. Sorry. uh, Anyways, thank you for your patience and your time. Thank you.